Another big story tonight, a crazy, chaotic 24 hours on Capitol Hill with the health care of millions of people hanging in the balance.
The Republican plan to repeal and replace Obamacare came to a screeching halt. President Trump now threatening to let Obamacare fail and start over.
So how could the president make that happen? Is it possible? Team 12's Bram Resnick is verifying it for us tonight. Bram?
Yeah, President Trump does have the ability to cripple the Affordable Care Act, but that means different things to one Arizonan who can't afford Obamacare and another who, quite literally, can't live without it.
So in June, I was feeling good, and I had beat cancer twice.
Just last month, 36-year-old Ian Danley was posting Facebook pictures from his 2015 bout with cancer and urging friends to fight the Obamacare repeal. Then, 2 weeks ago.
And sure enough, my cancer's back. So I got to head back into treatment. So I was I didn't know it. I was fighting for myself.
Small business owner Kim Surdich has a different Obamacare story. She shared it with President Trump last spring.
And it's frustrating when people think we're making this up.
Surdich had to drop Obamacare when her premiums doubled.
I wanted to take a leap of faith with him that they were going to be able to get this done.
Now President Trump is delivering a cold dose of reality after Republicans failed to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act.
I've been saying that, Mike, I think you'll agree, for a long time. Let Obamacare fail. It'll be a lot easier. And I think we're probably in that position where we'll just let Obamacare fail.
Trump has one very large hammer that could deliver a death blow to Obamacare. The administration could cut off billions of dollars in subsidies to insurers. That would either force insurers to bail out of the market or make premiums unaffordable. In Arizona, 8 of every 10 Obamacare enrollees depends on those subsidies to buy health insurance.
Maybe it makes everybody rethink their position and go, okay, right, now there is a sense of urgency.
Ian Danley agrees Obamacare isn't perfect, but without it, he couldn't afford the year of chemo that lies ahead.
I'm in trouble. This is it. I need this.
We verified that when President Trump says he'll let Obamacare die, there are ways he can make that happen. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell still plans to go ahead with a vote sometime soon on a straight repeal of Obamacare. At this point, he does not have the votes to pass it. Bram Resnick, 12 News.